Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by storing the workbook where Power BI can reach it, OneDrive for Business or SharePoint, because direct file paths break on refresh. Convert the data ranges into Excel tables and give each a clear name, so Power Query finds them reliably. Once done, verify any workbook connections are configured to expose queries, then save and close the file to ensure Power BI can grab a clean snapshot. This prevents locked file errors and simplifies later refresh settings. You now import the workbook into Power BI Desktop using the hosted file link or SharePoint connector, which preserves refreshability. Once connected, use Power Query to pick the name tables, apply type changes, filter rows, and perform merges or appends. These transformations reduce model size and prevent errors downstream. Make sure to configure query load settings, disable staging queries when unnecessary, and establish relationships in the model view. After previewing results, load the clean tables into the report for visuals. You finish by publishing your report to Power BI service and configuring dataset credentials so Power BI can access the hosted workbook. If the file lives on-premises, install and register an on-premises data gateway, then test a manual refresh to confirm access. Once stable, schedule refreshes at appropriate intervals. If refresh fails, check the file URL and permissions first, confirm table names haven't changed, and verify gateway connectivity. These are the most common causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.